Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Alipay account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Deleting an Alipay account is a serious step, so there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. Like you must withdraw all your funds from your Alipay balance, clear all pending transactions, loans and bills linked to your account. Then you cannot recover the account or its data after deletion. Some features or account types may require contacting Alipay customer service directly. Now in order to delete the account, simply head over and open up your Alipay app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Once logged into your account, simply tap on your account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside the settings, what you need to do now is select account and security, and once you're inside your account and security, on the bottom of the options you'll find an option that says account cancel, and you'll find the option that says delete all account data which cannot be restored after logging out. Simply tap on this, and now all you gotta do is follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your Alipay account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.